kayong lahat. And of course, magandang morning kay Coach Maria Janet ng Canada. Janet, good morning to you. Nagkape ka na ba? Ayan. Pwede ba natin silang i-update muna sa mga bagong products or mga binagsak ni Ben last fire starter nung Friday para ma-update sila. Yun muna tayo, okay? Bago tayo pumailang lang sa ating training, mga basic training na pwedeng nilang matutunan tonight. Okay, pakinggan natin si Coach Janet sa mga update. Come on.
Yes, eto na po. Okay. So, sa Firestarter Friday, unang-una, tuwang-tuwa si Ben with all the excitement because nag-paid up na naman po tayo ng almost $5 million sa lahat ng mga na-mission for the month of March. And of course, sabi niya, we continue to dominate, to disrupt, to crush every company in the market, especially sa nutritional industry na it is a $10 billion industry. So, yun po. And there are more people na natutulungan. They're trying to fix a broken industry. And it also ni-remind din po niya tayo that live good kaya na-establish or na-conceptualize because of the mission. So, it is beyond the money. And again, in line with that, ni-remind po tayo that we have to use our health assessment site para sa evaluation ng ating health and at the same time sa mga friends natin. So, he even stressed that Live Good came here to dominate the industry, to take care of the industry na kasalukuyang, alam nyo, nagiging broken na talaga. And sinabi din niya na he is watching the marketplace, he is watching the economy, na ang mga tao nag-i-struggle ngayon. So they are really looking for affordable way of doing it and naka-align doon sa Live Good. So we are helping, we're dominating, we're crushing, we're disrupting, and we're fixing models on $100 billion industry. And sinabi din niya that we are really growing fast. And mararamdaman din po natin yan as we continue to explode, dominating. Meron na po tayong radio ads, TV ads in 16 networks sa US, particularly sa mga sports channel. So we are expecting naka-align tayo dun sa 10, 20, 30, 50 million. He doesn't know when, but it is sure it is happening. Yun ang in-stress niya. So the corporate team is ready for scalability. No? So, yan, very transparent, highest quality, and no compromise sa mga products natin. Ang maganda, Coach Fernan, sa corporate team natin is naka-align sila pare-pareho. No? And with the new products, meron tayong fiber, na sabi ni Doc Ryan, it will be a very big product because 97% of us ay kulang sa fiber. Ayan, black seed oil, hydration sticks na bago, watermelon flavor, it's coming soon. And CBD oil, although hindi available dyan. Yes, yes. Except for the CBD oil, although may bagong flavor yan, cinnamon. In the skincare, yan, meron na tayong Follow Balm. So, diniscuss din yan. And of course, he also stressed na we just have to keep on showing more people because this one, lahat ng andito na mag-i-stay are those people who are aligned with the mission. Sabi niya, the reason why people quit because of two reasons. Because they are not earning or because they don't because they don't love the products. So, ang message na nakikita ko is let's have this message that ang products at ang compensation plan ay hindi magkalaban. Actually, they are interdependent with each other. So, the message is let us get people to fall in love with the products at the same time show the opportunity that goes with it. Again, hindi po magkalaban ang product at ang compensation plan, bagkus magkasama po yan. So as we use the products, as we share the products, share the opportunity. And ngayon, ito, very important to kasi alam ko ito yung issue niya lagi, no? He also stress, si Ben, in-stress niya, Coach Fernan, na um, nagpo-focus siya ngayon on the US. Talagang gusto niyang mamayagpag ang US dahil alam niyo naman trendsetter ang US. Now, when people will get to know Live Good all over the US, ang sabi niya, you could review the fire starter, no, he will expand
Yeah.
in the international.
Grabe.
Ayan, lalo na doon sa mga top 15, top 20. So, yun ang sinabi po niya. So, the message here again, we have to work out together. If we really want to have a fulfillment center, then we have to show Ben that we are using the products. Yun.
Yes.
So,
Galing.
back to you, Coach Fernan. I think
Ganda, ganda.
yun
Grabe.
ang mga
If you want to
pinaka-importante.